KTM has once again raised the bar with its latest release, the 2025 KTM SX and SX-F range, building upon the success of the revamped 2023 lineup. These new models prioritize rider connection, composure, and control, incorporating updates inspired by KTM Factory Racing efforts, promising the most dynamic Redefines race experience yet. One of the most notable updates is found in the frame, featuring strategic cutouts and adjustments in tube wall thickness around critical areas like the front, engine mounts, and rear shock mounts. These modifications aim to enhance chassis flex, shedding approximately 300 grams of weight while maintaining stability and improving cornering behavior. Additionally, the swingarm has been updated with a machine chain glider and a reinforced rear brake pedal for increased durability. Equipped with Dunlop GMAX MX34 motocross tires as standard, the 2025 models ensure optimal stability and control, boasting a new carcass compound that enhances damping and absorption for up to 30% longer performance. The inclusion of progressive cornering block technology further enhances traction, grip, and mud dissipation. The rear suspension system has undergone refinement as well, with the WP-ZACT rear shock benefiting from an updated linkage and smaller diameter bolts, derived directly from KTM Factory Racing specifications. The WP-ZACT AER fork features revised settings to promote more flex and reduce weight. Ergonomically, the 2025 lineup showcases new tank shrouds crafted from bicomposite plastics, offering a sleek, distinctive appearance and improved cooling. Additionally, an updated fuel tank roll protects the frame from wear and ensures better tank fitment. The air inlet sleeve and snorkel design have been redesigned for increased durability and stiffness. Visually, the models feature all-new graphics that align with the updated tank shrouds, presenting a clean aesthetic with full orange bodywork, complemented by red and black in-mold graphics and a more resilient black seat, reflecting the brand's pure, ready-to race ethos. A groundbreaking addition for 2025 is the Connectivity Unit Off-Road (CUO), available as KTM power parts for the SX-F lineup. This innovative technology offers various functionalities and adjustability options through the KTM Connect app, enhancing the riding experience. Finally, the highly anticipated return of the KTM 150SX to the two-stroke stable has arrived, promising elevated performance with enhanced torque and an enriched riding experience.